When I saw Akane's peach, I decided to go.
Hello, this is Akane and Naoki.
Like this.
So this video will take you to the beach trip
Not peachy.
called HAYAMA out of Tokyo.
Yeah.
Yes, I love the place. So I will hope you will enjoy this video. So
Okay, let's go. Oh, 하빠요. Good morning. Why? She rent car. I can pick up me.
Yes,
And I can drive
yes, like boyfriend.
like a boyfriend.
Boyfriend.
Like a girlfriend. She drive, I am a DJ. I choose music.
navigation できないからね。
I cannot navigation. But I don't use this map.
You cannot tell someone
Yeah.
where to go.
I forgot.
地址何？
She says she forgot how to drive. So now she's very serious now. Oh my god. Our trip is done. Japanese entrance area is very humantic, analog, human to human.
でもあるね。
Here we go.
So it takes 2 hours from Tokyo to Hayama. I love driving.
I love seeing her driving. Thank you です、あかねちゃん。いい。ホテル。おいしそう。Prince Hotel. My princess book Prince Hotel. Hello. Room is so comfortable, so big, and one bed too big. And we love this ocean view. ね、from bed to ocean, just 2 foot. And perfect. Once we stayed here, yeah, we really want to live along bayside. ね、もう already. Please look at her pose. This pose in house, on her house. もう already she fits this hotel like her house. あれあれ？このビューが。おー。
You have seaweed on your head.
No shield.
Seaweed.
Sexy hair.
It got worse.
Sexy
It got
hair.
worse.
Whenever I go to beach side, we eat fish, local fish. Jajan!
This is next day.
After exciting night,
Okay.
we love this beach side.
Yes. So good weather. It's near to beach, and you can find a lot of surfer.
Yeah, they're so cool.
Yeah, I feel like it's similar to California.
Oh, really?
Somehow, yeah. And whenever we come here, we always laugh.
Yes, we want to live here. There is nothing like this in Tokyo. Yeah, I envy people who live in here.
Yeah.
Please change house. I give you my house for you. Yeah. Oh, we will arrive at Hayama. Okay, let's see. Dear human who watch this video until here, Congratulations! I show you my video I made last year in HAYAMA with Akane. Yeah, Akane, did you like?
Yes, it was few people and nice sunset we saw.
Yes, and cute narrow street.
Yeah, we found.
Yes. ねえ、Akane, your face is cuter than this year.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
My hair is short, so cool. We are getting old.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yes, this is what HAYAMA is. Thank you very much for watching. And now, bird is approaching. Why? What will happen? We are eating donuts. And
Bird,
pick up our donuts. Why? I give you. Wow, she was shocked.
I'm angry.
Angry.
I'm angry.
Our favorite donuts. A big bird stole.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, bird. A lot? Oh. So sunshine. My eye. Don't wanna close the eye.